Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set password for Excel file. Open your Excel file. When you do, go to the File menu and there you will go to the Info section. Then, click on Protect Workbook and in the options displayed, click on Encrypt with Password. In the pop-up window, enter the password to use in the file. Click on OK and you must confirm the password. You can see that the workbook will be protected. Save the changes and close Excel. Now, when you open the file, you will see that it is mandatory to enter the assigned password. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.